Alright, pheasant tail nymph. I've already got my bead head and I've got a thread base on there. Now I just take some fibers from the tail of a pheasant. I kind of even them out a little bit here. Tail about like so. And between the fingers, pull down. Here's my tail. Now I'm going to put some ribbing in this fly. So at this point, I'm going to tie in a piece of red tinsel, or red wire actually. Wrap my thread forward, hold that back, and then I begin to make my body here. You can twist those fibers so they stay together. I got to leave room now for my thorax and my wing casing here. So I just bring them up to a little past halfway. Take my thread and make sure those fibers are wound down tight. Several different ways to tie this fly. I've just found over the years this is the easiest for me. And I take my wire and I rib it through that body. Segments the body, makes it a little stronger. Back my thread off to wrap that wire down. Now I'm going to tie on my wing casing, and again that's more pheasant. So I pull my pheasant tail out again, just clip a few more fibers. So now I've got to measure this out because I want to have some legs on here too. So I got to put them on there about so. Tips going back because you're going to fold those over. Tie them right on top. And then I wrap this forward and just build myself up a little extra base in there. And then I clamp this tag off. And now the body material traditionally is used peacock curl. I like to put a little extra color in mine sometimes. So I've got this little flash dubbing that I'll use. You know, pheasant tail I've caught steelhead with. Of course, all species of trout, but I like to change it up some and just give it a little different look once in a while. So I got a nice kind of electric green body on there, and then I take my wing casing over the top, tie it in over the top, and then you take these fibers, some to both sides, and these become the legs of your nymph. See them sticking out like that? I don't know if you can see that, but we'll show you like that. Looks a little more realistic that way. Now it's just a simple whip finish. And there's your pheasant tail.